Hi everybody. Today we're going to go over what activities you're going to be doing for this week. So here is the first one, which is the temperature and energy activity. You are going to go to the link that is posted on this document at the PhET Colorado Systems. This is going to give you the simulation, and when you go to that simulation, let's just go ahead and click on it so you can see it. Let's see if I can make it go there. When you click on it, you can immediately see that it takes us directly to the website, and you should go ahead and click the play button. So when I click the play button, it takes me to the PhET Interactive Simulations, and since this is our introductory activity, we're going to start with our introductory activity. So we will choose the introductory activity. So this is the platform that you're going to be using for all of your introductory activity stuff. So let's go back to our directions and see if we can continue following those. Okay, so far we have figured out where we're going. And the next thing that we need to be able to do is we need to be able to draw what we see in the intro simulation. So we're going to launch the intro simulation just like I showed you, and then we're going to write about the model given in the intro simulation. So let's quickly go back to the intro simulation, and there we have it, the water and the olive oil. So we're mainly going to pay attention to the water, and we're going to be able to move the water, and we're going to be able to cool it down. Now, you might not be able to see anything going on, so you should link the energy symbols so that you can see the energy symbols. You do not need to link the heaters, but you do need to link the energy symbols. So we're going to start with just cooling down the water. I'll cool it down, and you can see some difference in energy going on there. Or you can heat it up, and play with that a little bit. If you wanted to, you could also compare it to the olive oil. So I could put the olive oil up here, and I could show you what that looks like when we heat it up, or cool it down. Okay? So there are your two that you are comparing. So let's go back to our paper. Whichever one you choose to do. I know it shows some olive oil and some water. You may choose whether you're doing the olive oil or whether you're doing the water. But in any case, you're going to be drawing in little pictures of what is happening. So what happened to the energy. So this is your energy model for what is happening. So then you're going to come down here and describe in your words what is happening in your energy model. So up here is your picture, down here is your words. Okay? So then we will continue on, and now you're going to have some questions to answer yourself. Is at the molecular level, what form of energy does this have? And then you're also going to want to then go on to the heating up the brick and the iron to the same temperature. So we want to do that. So let's click back to our simulation here. And now we're going to go move the olive oil off of here. And we're going to move the water off of here. And we're going to go ahead and bring the brick and the iron up here. And here's where we're going to want to link the heaters. Okay? So we keep them at the same temperature, that we're going to link the heaters, and then we can heat them both up at the same time, and we can observe what is going on and stop and talk about that. So we go back to our page, and we stop and talk about that a little bit. What did the picture look like? What does the temperature measure? And go ahead and write about that a little bit. This is an introductory activity. Do not spend a lot of time worrying about, did I get this right? Did I get this right? This is you to have some time to play with the simulation here, so that you can figure out how do all the controls work. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to the next page of this, and in the next page of this, you are going to follow the picture directions. So starting with the cold water, and you're going to add a hot object, putting them together, and then you're going to see what happens as the time passes. And then you're going to follow what happens, and then I went ahead as draw or write about, but you can write about it. Now, how do I write about it in this box? Here's how you write about it. You simply click, and you can begin writing about it right underneath it, and so that is fine. We already have a picture here. You don't need to add to the picture, but you can just write about it right there. Okay, so then we go on to the answering the question, why does the process stop, and number 5. And then it says plan an investigation inside this sim to collect data to test the model from 5 and 6. So your job right now here is to plan your own investigation, run your own investigation, and go ahead and what is your claim? What is the evidence that can support it? Here's where you might fill in your data that you see, some observations that you have, explain how that evidence supports your claim, or maybe it doesn't support your claim. Please talk about what you are holding constant, and then give your step-by-step procedure. In other words, you're going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4 list. Okay. Thank you, everybody, and I hope you have a good time with this simulation.